Iceberg. Oo, madali kasi.
Nag-post lang sa...
Na alcohol content, diba?
Let's go! Let's go, baby!
Mas, this is real now. Hi, Chantel. This is real.
Pakita mo si Chantel.
Busy, busy. Nakatingin.
Busy? Here we go! Let's go!
Are now welcome
Ano ka na?
to Freehold.
Yee-hoo!
Dali na, tara.
Dali lang, wait lang. Manood na lang kayo.
Premier 1K customers traveling to San Francisco are now welcome to Freehold.
Ha? Ayan, ha? Okay, talaga. YouTube ko to. Come on. Bye-bye. Maps. Maps.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh. Bassinet for my baby. Kaya tawagan siya to. Nalaro siya.
What is the pasta?
Dada. What did you get, Daddy?
We got pasta.
Chicken. Sleeping. Nanto ko na, Mams. Bye. Tutulog. Yan. Busy-busy, ah.
So first thing to do in Japan, here it comes.
Here we go.
Uh, So we already arrived here in Haneda Airport, and the first thing that we need to do is to get the welcome card. My wife knows about it, so basically you're gonna line up here. I think you're gonna need that welcome card or train station card as well to be able to use the transportation here in Japan. So after you get the welcome card, you're gonna go to Wi-Fi, global Wi-Fi. You're gonna follow this sign, says global Wi-Fi. Uh, Exit number 1, I think. Terminal 1. That's what it says.
He's getting Wi-Fi. Japan.
Okay, so apparently I think it's gonna be difficult for us to take the bus. So we go down in the main lobby and we're gonna take a taxi to our hotel. So yeah. Pretty cool taxi here you got. Oh, we're here, guys. Ended up taking the taxi. First time on the other side of the road. Pretty cool. Right hand right. Hi. Huh? Sir, how far are we?
Excuse me?
How far?
4 kilometers from here.
So I'm only 4 kilometers away from my hotel, so probably after that we can meet. Can you hear me? Oh. Not really, I'm scared. I don't know what there's music sound as well. We're back. The video. Oh, that's a pretty cool shot.
Japan. Japan.
Vietnam. Vietnam.
Hello. Kita ba tayo?
So we're here, we're meeting with a random stranger, and the purpose is to swap some parts that I have for USDM to his JDM part. Of course, it's for a GR86, and we're currently looking for him. He said his car is parked next to the Tokyo Tower station. So here's my wife with me and my kid. So yeah. So we found him, guys. I think he's just sitting right there in the corner. Not sure if you can see him, but I can see his taillights from here. And yeah, that's him. I'm just gonna walk through here. Oh, I found his car. He's sitting here. Hi. Is it okay if I film your car?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we found a new friend. He also have a GR86. This is Bilan. Do you mind lowering the sound?
Oh,
Music.
Oh, that's
This is Bilan taillights
okay, right?
brand.
Oh. Kiss it?
Uh, oh, nice interior. Look at this boy, stand setup. Damn.
Maganda pala may picture dito. Ano papalit mo?
Canada.
Canada.
Okay.
Hey, I open it for you so you see. No damage.
Way.
New. Can I see yours? Which side? This side? Can I see this side? What's the difference? Nothing, eh? No difference. Eh? What's your name? Name?
Oh, Gia.
Ginia. Mac. Here. You check. Okay, this is original. Good. Thank you. Okay?
Okay.
You think it will work in your car?
I think so. No light, no? Sugoi! Hey!
Now you're...
Some cool Mario Karts. So mission acquired, guys. We acquired one of our first mission here in Tokyo, Japan. Now we're just walking and we might go to Shibuya for dinner tonight. It's getting a little bit late and we don't know what time will the train close. So hopefully they close late so we don't get stuck. Feels like spring here in Japan. To be exact, in Tokyo. Today is February 7, 2024. And yeah, so far it's been good. It's our first night. And we have our little one. Her first trip. Maps. Maps. Alay lakad. Gutoman Nights.
次は青山一丁目、青山一丁目、銀座線、半蔵門線はお乗り換えです。お乗り換えは後方の階段をご利用ください。
So we're here, guys. We are in the famous Shibuya crossing. Look how many people is standing right here, including us. Scrambled egg. We're here, ma'am. Sumikot ka. Ha? Shibuya crossing. Maps. Shibuya. Oh shit, too many people. Maps. Arcade game. Yoshinoya. This is near Shibuya crossing. There is Shibuya crossing on the left, and this is affordable shop to eat. Naka-play yan. Naka-play. This is my food for today. Wala ang rice yun sa'yo?